Hi, I'm Christy McCutchen. I'm the artist who created Facets of Love. Facets of Love is a tribute created for Orlando Science Center to honor the survivors and victims of the Pulse tragedy. It is made from a project held here at the Science Center where people from the community were asked to write down on pieces of origami paper what love means to them and to fold it into a heart. And then those hearts were hung, thousands of rainbow-colored hearts were hung across the bridge that connects the parking garage and the main building of the Science Center. And they were so enjoyed and embraced by the community that the Science Center wanted to create a permanent piece out of those same pieces of paper. And so what Facets of Love does is it takes those pieces of paper and reincorporates them into a new work of art that is collage with lots of different layers of elements. I think Pulse is the first time that I felt so closely connected to a mass shooting. So it was very surreal the first time I heard about it because I couldn't imagine something like that happening here. It was incredible to see just kind of the flood of support and empathy throughout the community. It made me want to honor our loss with something beautiful because what I saw as a response to the tragedy was so beautiful.